Ada and her mom are at home, revising some four-letter words. Ada gets a candy for every word she's able to spell correctly.
Can you spell fish?
F-I-S-H.
Great. How about you spell cape?
C-A-P.
There's just one more letter. It's the silent E.
The silent E?
Yes. Let's watch the teacher's video lesson on silent E to find out what it's all about.
Hello, listeners. Welcome to another fun lesson. Today, we'll be learning about silent E words. When the letter E is at the end of a word but cannot be heard, it is called silent E. In most cases, the E keeps quiet while the first vowel says its letter name. Examples are tap, tape, fin, fine. Did you notice how the addition of silent E at the end of the word tape changes the short vowel in tap to a long vowel? Remember that the silent E helps the first vowel say its letter name. Now, let's go on to find out more words. Cap with the silent E becomes cape. Beat with the silent E becomes bite. Hop with the silent E becomes hope. And cut with the silent E becomes cute. Let's make a simple sentence with some of the silent E words. They will take me home. In this sentence, we have two words with a silent E, and they are take, home. Now, listeners, I would like you to point out the words with a silent E here. Pan, ripe, made, fade, plan, cute, dime, snake, nose. Well done! As you read and come across such words, remember to use the letter name of the first vowel in that word, while the E at the end stays silent. See you in the next video lesson. Bye-bye!